What's up, everybody? So for the past 4 to 5 months, I've been using these 4 Windows features that have completely changed the way I work. It has made my work more productive and more efficient, and I highly recommend that you use these features as well. Seriously, we should be thankful to Microsoft for these features. And we're going to start with multiple desktops. Most of the Windows users that I know are using multiple applications and multiple softwares within a single desktop. And it makes it a lot of mess, especially if you're working on multiple applications at once. Switching between them is very difficult, and it's just basically very confusing for the mind. The solution that I have found for this is multiple desktops, because switching between multiple desktops is as easy as swiping with 3 fingers on your trackpad. So now whenever I'm surfing or browsing on the net, I have a dedicated desktop where I have Google Chrome, and then I have a dedicated desktop where I'm keeping all of my communication applications like Outlook, Microsoft Teams, and Slack. And then I have another dedicated desktop for whatever work I'm doing. If I'm writing a report or maybe creating a presentation deck, then I have PowerPoint on another desktop. If I'm writing code, then I have Visual Studio Code on another desktop. And that just makes it super efficient, because whenever I'm researching for a presentation, I just swipe to Google Chrome and I'm researching it. When I find something, I swipe back and I'm back on the PowerPoint deck. So I highly recommend that you also group your tasks and you dedicate desktops for each of the group. The second feature is actually quite simple, and it is extremely useful, and I'm pretty sure that you have seen it all the time in your Windows File Explorer. Windows file system is probably the best file system when it comes to organization of your stuff. You can create multiple drives, and in each drive you can specify the type of stuff that you will put. Then further on you have folders, and then you have your data. But because of that same thing, sometimes accessing your frequently accessed folder is pretty tough, because you have to go through multiple folders. Quick access is a really good feature. Just put all of your frequently accessed folders in your quick access tab, just like I have put my YouTube folder, my application folder where I have the resumes and the cover letters, and my other work stuff as well. And so I can just access these folders with a single click. So I highly recommend that you put your frequently accessed folders, or the folders that that you're going to access pretty much every day, just put them all in quick access tab, and it will make your life super easy. Now, on a side note, I think another feature or another product that I'm really grateful for to Microsoft is the Internet Explorer, because without Internet Explorer, we would never have found how good Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome are. The third feature that I've been recently using, and it has literally changed the way that I work, is linking your phone to your Windows device. I've always been against this feature when even Microsoft first introduced it, because I knew that the experience that a macOS device paired with your iPhone provides is just unbeatable. But seriously, Windows has taken their game to the next level as well. Recently, I was just in a Google Meet meeting, and my friend called, and I got notified on my laptop. I didn't know that my Bluetooth was on and it was paired with my laptop. And I got the call on the laptop, and I picked it up thinking that I would have to go to the other room to pick my phone and really talk to him. But I heard my friend say hello, and I said, "Hello, can you hear me?" And he said, "Yeah, I'm able to hear you." And that's it. I was shocked for 2 seconds. It was a moment where the truth was being revealed to me. It was seriously so good, and the quality was really good actually. And I talked to my friend, and I closed the call, and I went back to my meeting all on my laptop. I didn't even have to pick my phone. And now I'm just receiving my calls on my laptop, because usually I'm spending more time on my laptop as compared to my phone. So this is really convenient if you have to, talk to somebody, if you have to send messages, or, whatever you want to do. If you want to access the files on your phone, this is super good, and this is super useful. So I highly recommend using that feature. The fourth feature that I've recently started using is Windows search bar. Most of the people, including me, always thought that Windows search, Windows S, is all about finding your files or your already installed softwares in your computer, but no, it's not. It's so much beyond that. It is a search engine built inside your laptop. So you can write your queries, whatever you wanted to write on the internet, and it will show you the exact result. So for example, if I write, is HP EliteBook good for designing? Look, it is providing me with all of the links and everything, and I think it is using Bing on the background. So yeah, this is really good. Mac has a feature like that as well, but I think I prefer this one more because it has a better user interface and it has a better user experience. So I highly recommend that if you want to make a quick internet search, just use this bar, and you don't even have to open Google Chrome, or you don't even have to open whatever browser that you're using. This is really good. So just pin it to your taskbar, and just use it whenever you want to use. This is really good. So yeah, these 4 features have completely changed my life, along with some of the few hacks and tricks that I have found that I can use on a smartphone. Check this video out to see what I'm talking about. If you apply these hacks and tricks, trust me, your smartphone experience is going to increase a lot as well. All right, I'll see you next week.